to the Caterpillar booth here at the Las Vegas Convention Center in the North Hall. We're here today to celebrate 25 years of quality built product in Clayton, North Carolina, and the customers who've helped us make that happen. In that Clayton, North Carolina facility, we build the 926M, the 930M, and the 938M, all centered around our customers. And we're happy to host Rhonda and Eben Twaddle with Interwest Construction, along with their supporting dealer, Troy Hickey. Here's Senior Vice President of Sales for NC Machinery. And to cap it all off, we've got our very own Ken Hoffling, Vice President of Building and Construction Products. I'd like to now hand it over to Troy to say a few words.
Joel, thank you. At NC Machinery Company, our corporate strategy is built around helping customers succeed. And the quality products that you manufacture at Caterpillar, coupled with the value-added products and services that we add as a dealer, is how we try to take that strategy to a reality for customers like Interwest Construction. Eben, our journey together started about 10 years ago when we sold you a 315 CL. Over the last 10 years, I'm glad to say that there was about 90 machines that followed that. In fact, the new 938M parked behind us today represents number 95 in that journey together. On behalf of NC Machinery Company, I want to say thank you for your business and appreciate you being here with us today.
Thank you. This is a beautiful machine. I can't wait to get it to work, and let's get it dirty.
Well, Eben, it's fantastic that you still have confidence and faith in us. This is your 95th machine. You know, the cool thing is that you're doing some amazing work in your territory, helping build a better world for all of us here, making America great again. I love it. And to commemorate all of this, we have chromed a key and put on a little wheel loader chain for you. So, Rhonda, if you would want to take that. Now, Eben wants to get it dirty. I told him he should park it in the front yard and buy another one, but he didn't do that. So to help commemorate this, we've gave you a plaque and then a little bit of specifics about this event. So again, congratulations. We wish you well.
Thank you very much. We'd like to thank you for your business and being business partners with Caterpillar. If you've got questions about this machine or any CAT product, please log on to cat.com or reach out to your dealer. We'd also like to invite you back on our CAT products page to watch our Remote Task 259, remote control skid steer at 11 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. Thank you.